Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A71, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and somewhere in here you will find the power saving mode. Now we have two different versions of it. One is right here in the corner and the other one is on the other corner. So we have the power saving mode and then ultra power saving mode. Now the difference between those is power saving mode will be the typical one that you see basically on every other device, while ultra power saving mode will be a little bit more extreme approach to saving your battery. And extreme, I'm gonna turn it on so you can just see how extreme it gets. So as you can see, brightness went down, apps disappeared, wallpaper just kind of gone, and we have only access to like 6 apps that you can add here. It looks like luckily they don't reduce the amount of toggles you have access to, so that's at least nice. And also, as you can see, battery becomes the primary focus of this mode, with basically getting the display information about battery life, how much you have left of it, right at the front. Now that being said, 54 hours and 29 minutes for basically a full battery is not actually the best. Anyway, once you're done and you want to leave this mode, you can click right here on this exit button, and this will revert back to this kind of normal mode once you confirm it down here. So there we go. And just to quickly go into the normal power saving mode, I'm gonna tap on it, and that's it. And that's basically all it does. So visually it doesn't really change much, but there will be stuff happening in the background, most likely like turning off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device goes to sleep mode to preserve battery. So that's something to keep in mind. And again, just as before, to turn it off, just tap on a toggle here and everything should go back to functioning normally. So with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.